Have you ever started a new habit with incredible enthusiasm, only to burn out a week later? We often chase intense bursts, believing sheer willpower conquers all. But what if lasting achievement isn't how hard you start, but how steadily you keep going? Today, we're diving deep into why consistency, that steady, persistent effort over time, almost always triumphs over sporadic, high-intensity bursts. Unlock the power of small, repeatable actions to transform your goals. Think about compounding interest in finance. Small, regular deposits, made consistently, grow into significant wealth. This principle applies universally. A daily 15-minute language practice yields greater fluency than a single 3-hour marathon once a month. Each small effort adds to the last, creating an unstoppable force. Intensity spikes, but consistency builds enduring strength. Consistency isn't just about results, it's about building unbreakable habits. Committing to a small, regular action, like 10 minutes of exercise, trains your brain and body. These micro-commitments reduce friction and decision fatigue, making it easier to stick with goals even when motivation wanes. Intensity, relying on fragile adrenaline, often fades, leading to defeat. Consistency cultivates resilience, teaching you to show up, even imperfectly, strengthening mental fortitude. Consider comedian Jerry Seinfeld's "Don't Break the Chain" method. His goal wasn't a perfect joke daily, but simply to write, marking an X for each session. The power was in the unbroken chain. Researchers also find small, incremental changes more sustainable. Weight loss studies show gradual adjustments lead to better long-term success than extreme diets. Cumulative progress truly outlasts temporary, intense efforts. So, next time you're faced with a significant goal, remember, don't aim for explosive, unsustainable bursts that lead to burnout. Instead, embrace the quiet, persistent power of consistency. Make a small, manageable commitment, and then simply honor it, day in and day out. That's where true, lasting transformation happens. If this resonated, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more practical insights on achieving your best life.